Hello friends! Are you ready to find out what day it is? Let's see if we can find out. So if we look at our calendar, we see that this was the last day that we colored, the last square that we colored something in. So this was yesterday, which was Tuesday. And if we go to the next square, that tells us what today is. And if we go up to the top of the column, it says Wednesday. Wednesday, and that is the biggest word out of all of the days of the week. Wednesday. Wednesday. So here's the Wednesday card, and it is spelled starting with a W. W says Wednesday. What else starts with the letter W? Can you think of other words? Water. We drink water every day. Walrus or whale. So it's Wednesday. 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 And let's do the days of the week. There are 7 days. There are 7 days. There are 7 days in a week. There are 7 days. There are 7 days. There are 7 days in a week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. And it is Wednesday. So let's come back down here and we are going to put in the number. Can you take a guess at what the number will be today? If yesterday was a 5, what do you think today would be? Let's go back to the beginning and count. See if that will help us. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So Wednesday, today is a 6. So you start at the top and then come down with a little loop to make a 6. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Great job. Let's try to count backwards. It's okay if you don't know how yet. We'll practice together. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off! Great job trying. That's wonderful. So it's the 6th today, Wednesday the 6th. So Wednesday, let's go up to the month. Do you remember what the month is? It starts with a J. January. 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 And there are 12 months in the year, right? We are just in January right now, but there is 12 of them in the entire year. So let's sing them together. January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. And we are lucky. We're in the first month of the year, which is January. So it is Wednesday, January 6th, 2020. Or you can say 2021. I said that wrong. I said 2020. It's 2021. I've been saying 2020 for 365 days, so it's going to take a little practice for me to get this every day. 2021 or 2021. So let's write this on the bottom with our sentence. And our sentence begins with the word today and then the word is. So we say today is. And today has a capital T because it's the first word in our sentence. So today is Wednesday, and it's a long one. Wednesday. And then I'm going to put a comma. Remember, our comma is our pause in our sentence. Today is Wednesday, January. Wednesday, January 6th. And another comma. Wednesday, January 6th, 2021. And I'm going to finish with a period because we're at the end of our sentence. We don't want to say anything else after this sentence. Let's try it one more time. Today is Wednesday, January 6th, 2021. That was a long one. Wednesday makes it very long. Today is Wednesday, January 6th, 2021. So the one more thing left in our calendar. What did we forget to do? Did we forget to put the next shape in our pattern? What's our pattern today? Orange circle, purple triangle, orange circle, purple triangle, orange circle, purple triangle. You are right. So here is our purple. We'll make a purple triangle. Are you coloring in your days on your calendar at home? It's a good way to keep track of our days. We try to stay in the lines. Sometimes it doesn't happen, but we just try our best and we will get better every time we practice. So our pattern is orange circle, purple triangle, orange circle, purple triangle, orange circle, purple triangle. Good job. And now let's do the weather. I looked outside today before we started and it was so bright that it was hurting my eyes. It was so bright. The sun was reflecting off of the snow because we have lots of snow up where I live. And it was so bright and warm. Even though it's cold, it still feels warm compared to other days. So do you think this one matches? What are those squiggly lines? Wind blowing? I didn't see any trees moving, no snow blowing. So it's not windy today. What about this one? Snow falling from the sky? I didn't see any snow falling. Lots of snow is already on the ground, but no snow is falling from the clouds today. Partly cloudy? I didn't think I saw any clouds. Just sun. What about this one? Rainy? Not likely in the winter. It doesn't happen very often where I live, but it might be where you live. What about this one? Sunny. Look at that sunshine. I think this describes our weather very well today. So I'm going to put that up on our board. What is it like where you live? Do you have lots of snow? Is it raining where you live? Is it hot? Do you still get to wear shorts in January? We need to wear pants and shirts and jackets and boots and hats when we go outside because it's cold where I live. But it is sunny. It's still sunny. So here's our weather chart. And we don't need to look very far today because sunny is the first one in our chart. So we're going to put a tally mark so that we can keep track of what the days are like for January. Do you remember how to make a tally mark? Can you put your finger up to the top and strike it down? Up at the top one more time and strike it down. So I'm just going to take my marker and I'm going to start at the top and strike it down. And it kind of looks like a 1. So we've got 2 days of sunny, 1 of cloudy, 2 days of partly cloudy, and 1 day of windy. It'll be exciting to see how many days we have of each this month. So I'm going to pull out my agenda now. Do you remember what the apostrophe S means at the end of my name? So we've spelt my name, Celine, apostrophe S. So that says Celine's agenda. So that means this agenda belongs to me because we've put an apostrophe S at the end of my name. Let's open it up and let's go to today. Whoops. So yesterday was the 5th. So I'm going to check off that I completed what my goal was for yesterday. My goal was to go grocery shopping. So I'll check that off because I did that yesterday. And we will flip it to today. And if you have your piece of paper with you, you can even do this with me as I'm writing it out. So today is Wednesday, and that's WEDNESDAY. And then I'm going to put a comma. I hope I can fit January on there. I'm kind of running out of space. Let's see if I can make it fit. JANUAR. Oh my goodness, I'm running out of room. Oh, I made it fit. but there's no room for my numbers. So I'm going to put my number down below it. If this was lines, there would be 2 lines, and I would move it down to the next line. So it's the 6th today. So I'm going to make a 6 and then a comma and then the year 2021. 2021 and a period. And it is sunny today, so I am going to get my yellow crayon and make a sun. Sometimes it's hard to see the yellow against the white paper. I hope that you can see it. Make my sun. And I am going to make banana loaf today. Do you like banana loaf? It's kind of like bread, kind of like a cake. It's kind of in between, and it's made with yummy bananas. It's one of my favorites. So that's what I'm going to do today. So I'm going to draw myself a banana loaf, and I'm just going to start with a little rectangle at the bottom and then kind of make it round at the top. And I'm going to color it in brown. It's usually a little bit more brown on the top, a darker brown. So let's see if we can do that. A little darker. And then a little bit lighter as we go down. That's what I'm going to do today. I can't wait to have some. It's been a while since I've had banana loaf. I've also had apple loaf, carrot loaf, zucchini loaf. And if you aren't comfortable writing out the whole word yet for Wednesday or January, you can practice. So here, practice the letters. This was our J that we did the last couple of days. And let's pick a new letter. That was J. How about if we do A? You want to try an A? A looks like this. Start at the top and go down and down again, and then cross it in the middle right there like that. And then a small A is a circle with a line right there. I should make that a little longer. So this is sometimes called a big A and a little a, or an uppercase A and a lowercase a. So you can try those today if you don't quite know how to do all of Wednesday and January yet. You can practice the letters individually, and eventually you'll be able to put all those letters together to make the words. So before we go, we will just talk about our feeling faces. So yesterday I left feeling pretty happy after we had our visit. How did you feel after our visit yesterday? Did you have a good day, a sad day, a frustrating day, a sleepy, lazy kind of day? Those are good days too. Let's see what else we have here. So there's the nervous face or a shy face, maybe cautious. And we've got an angry face, angry. Do you feel angry today? There's a sad face. Maybe we're sad because it's not nice outside and we wanted to play outside, or maybe we wanted to have apples for snack and there was only bananas. Maybe we're missing our friends or a grandma or a cousin. And then there's this face. What do you think this one is? Relaxed? Comfortable? Let's see. I think I'm going to pick this face because I'm feeling pretty relaxed today. I'm having a good, calm day. And I hope it continues when I make my banana loaf. So I'll put that right there. And then the other thing that I'm going to do today is I'm going to do something kind for somebody. So I am going to, when I make my banana loaf, I'm going to make 2 of them, and I'm going to share my banana loaf with my neighbor. Maybe they will like banana loaf and it'll give them a very nice snack for later on today. What can you do today that could help somebody else? Can you think? What things could be nice? How about you could give your grown-up person a hug, or you could share one of your favorite toys with your brother or sister if you have a brother or sister. I know they really like your special toys and maybe you don't let them play with them very often. You could let them play with it for a little bit. That would be kind of nice. Or what else can we do? You know what else you could do? You could call somebody on the phone and see how they're doing and tell them that you miss them and that you like talking to them and check in on them. Sometimes we get really busy and we may not see people in person, but we can call them on the phone and tell them how much they mean to us. So that would be a great thing to do today. Might be a nice thing to try. Ask your grown-up if you can do that. So I hope you have a great day. I hope you try something new and do something kind. And we'll have another visit again tomorrow. Bye-bye. Click the like button and select subscribe so you don't miss out on our future videos.